Hello all. Today we have started our algos as usual, and still we are running the algos. Since today is an expiry day, we do a lot of testings, and till morning we have made nearly 50,000 of profit. Uh, Last half an hour back, but right now market has taken reversal, so it has not taken exit till now from here. Still it is going on, so it is in 57,000 loss. But not a problem since we are running it for testing. It's going good. uh, and Nifty, we are trying it for 1 lakh capital. Banknifty, it is working for 3 lakhs capital, but for Nifty want to fix it for just in 1 lakhs capital. We are trying. Let's see. It was also went up to 15,000 profit, and now it is running at 26,000 loss. Today we have did some live trades. In that we have made 70,000 profit. Only in a single trade we have taken 17,000 profit, and we have taken the exit. After that we have stopped the algo. Still algo will be running, and one more algo which we used to run daily for one lot of trades. Today we have made it for 40 lots, and maximum profit will be 10,000 per lot. After 10,000 rupees it will start trailing the stop loss once it takes the entry. So it is going pretty good right now. This algo was started around 12:30 p.m. First trade it took nearly 16,000 profit. Entry at 186, exit at 200. It is all trailing the stop loss. It is not giving properly. I will update in another few days. Exit took at 200. 200 means okay, profit is 14,000. 200 means since it will be lot of slippage will be there. Trailing didn't work. It went with exit of 14,000 rupees. First trade. Second trade again, entry at 200 and exit at 214. 214 means profit is around 13,000. Again 14 plus 13, 27. Like this it is going pretty good. 21 and exit at 246. 246 again, and another trade. Wait, this one took a huge spike. Entry took at 188. This one was when in this place this algo was taken position during this place. So it was a sudden spike, and it got completely stop loss got trailed immediately, and it exited with a good profit of around 60,000 rupees. So it is making pretty good profits. Thing is, this is calculated with 40 lots of Banknifty. Again the same, and now it has taken a loss with 230 and exited at 168. Another 3-4 days we will do the testing. We'll see. After that we'll go live. Here the good thing is it will not take n number of trades. Maximum we can go with minimal trades and good profits. When it comes to this, we do a lot of averaging. Till now it has taken 59 trades. A lot of averaging is happening in the background. So we are working on it to minimize the number of trades, but it is making good profits. Thank you.